Jai Hind everyone, welcome to Train for SSB. In this video, we will be talking about what are coral reefs, what do we mean by death of coral reef, and then what is the way forward to protect them. So first of all, let's understand what are coral reefs. Coral reefs are underwater ecosystem consist of colonial marine invertebrates called corals. These corals extract calcium carbonate from seawater to create a hard exoskeleton that protects them. Now these corals contains genetically identical organisms called polyps, and these polyps contain microscopic algae called zooxanthellae, and these zooxanthellae and corals shares a very beautiful relationship. Corals help zooxanthellae in the process of photosynthesis, and in return zooxanthellae provides with organic product of photosynthesis to corals, and it is this zooxanthellae which is responsible for variety of colors of coral reefs. Well, it should be known to you that coral reefs occupy less than 1% of ocean floor in the entire world, and still they are most productive and most diverse ecosystem on our earth. Well, due to this diversity, they are also known as rainforest of sea. Now let's understand what do we mean by death of coral reef and how it occurs. Well, when corals get stressed due to changes in temperature, due to pollution, due to global warming, they expel algae and get bleached, and this is known as death of coral reef. And now to understand the severity of death of coral reefs, let's have a look at report of United Nations. According to them, 70% of Earth's corals are at risk, and 20% of Earth's coral have been destroyed with no recovery, and 24% are under imminent risk of collapse, and additional 26% are at risk due to longer term threats. Well, 4 years back, that is in 2016, a large coral bleaching destroyed thousands of corals of the Great Barrier Reef. Now let's discuss what is the way forward. But before that, do you know what role coral reefs play? Well, these are part of basic food chain, and any disturbance with coral reefs means disturbance with entire food chain. And another important thing is that these absorb constantly emitting radiations from the oceans or from the oceanic currents, therefore guarding the coastal areas or coastline from storm damage, erosion and flooding. Now let's discuss what are the major areas upon which we need to focus. We need to halt unplanned coastal development, and also we need to minimize the use of fertilizers which are chemically enhanced, for example pesticides, insecticides and all, which are non-degradable in nature and eventually they dissolve in water bodies. And also we need to treat the waste coming out of the industries very carefully before being disposed of into the water bodies. Well, in a nutshell, we need to minimize water pollution wherever possible. And another important factor is global warming. It is one of the major threat to coral ecosystem. Well, talking about the India Zoological Survey of India recently, with the help of Gujarat Forest Department, initiated to revive coral reefs through the technology of mineral accretion. What is the mineral accretion technology? In which in this technology they artificially create the layer of calcium carbonate which are essential for the coral reefs, so that coral reefs do not waste their energy in making these hard structures, and therefore they can easily replicate themselves. Well, that's all in this video. Let us know if you like the video in the comment section, and if you enjoyed the video, stay updated with the channel. You will get new video every day. Thank you.